Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalam O Alikum. Dear student, welcome to my YouTube channel Learn with Azam. Today we will discuss about new syllabus KPK Book Foundation Physics SST2 Unit number 14 Current Electricity. Now we will discuss about SLO base according to FBISC requirement numerical problems question number 13 to 15 in part 4. Let's start the lesson in numerical problems question number 13. An electric hair dryer is rated at 1875 volts when operating on 120 volts. What is the current flowing through it? If the hair dryer is used for 3 minutes, how much energy does it consume? According to the given statement, first of all, write the given data. In given data, power P is equal to 1875 volt and voltage V is equal to 120 volt. Now, time T is equal to 3 minutes. We change minute into second, then 3 multiplied by 60 seconds is equal to 180 seconds. Now we can require that amount of current and also energy consumed. So we can find I and also energy E. Using the formula and calculate the value, first of all, we know that P is equal to IV. Power is equal to electric current multiplied by voltage. And also energy consumed E is equal to power multiplied by time. Now we can calculate, first of all, we know that power P is equal to IV. That is equal to I is equal to P upon V is equal to 1875 divided by 120. That is equal to 15.625 ampere. Or we can say that current I is equal to 15.6 ampere. And also we can find the energy. So energy E is equal to power multiplied by time. Then value of power is equal to 1875 multiplied by 180. So the value of energy consumed E is equal to 337.5 kilojoule. So we write the answer in kilojoule. So 337.5 kilojoule is the energy consumed. Now we will move the next numerical problem, question number 14. A battery with an EMF of 12 volt is consumed to be 540, 545 ohm, and with much energy is disappointed in the resistor in a 65 seconds. Now, according to the given statement, first of all, write the given data. Battery EMF is equal to voltage, that is equal to V is equal to 12 volt, and resistance R is equal to 545 ohm, and time T is equal to 65 seconds. Now we can require that the energy, so energy E is equal to question mark. We using the formula, then energy E is equal to V square multiplied by T upon R. Or also we can say that energy E is equal to V square upon R multiplied by T. So in our solution, we know that energy E is equal to V square multiplied by T divided by R. Here 12 is the volt EMF, so 12 square divided by 545 multiplied by 65. So the answer is energy E is 17 joule. Now we can say that energy E is equal to 17 joule. Now we will move the next numerical, question number 15. In question number 15, if the unit of electricity cost is 8.11 Rs kilowatt per hour, what is the cost of running two 160 volt fan and four 100 volt light bulb and 6 hour in a school? First of all, according to statement, write the given data. In given data, traffic rate 8.11 Rs kilowatt per hour. Now, power of 2 bulb 160 volt fan P1 is equal to 160 multiplied by 2. So P1 is equal to 320 volt. Now we can calculate the power of 4 bulb of 100 volt. So P2 is equal to 100 multiplied by 4, then power is equal to 400 volt. Now we can require the time T is equal to 6 hours. Total power P is equal to P1 plus P2. So that is equal to P is equal to 320 plus 400. This implies that power P is equal to 720 volt. We can write in kilowatt. So power P is equal to 0.720 multiplied by 10 raised to power 3 volt. Now we can say that power P is equal to 0.720 kilowatt, and we can require that cost of electricity. So cost of electricity using the formula. We know that cost of electricity is equal to energy consumed multiplied by traffic rate. So we can putting the value cost of electricity is equal to P multiplied by T, energy is equal to power multiplied by time multiplied by traffic rate. So 0.720 multiplied by 6 multiplied by 8.11. Then cost of electricity is 35 rupees. More videos, subscribe our channel. Best of luck. Allah Hafiz.